Are you someone who takes really good care of his vehicle and simply wants to do a quick cleaning to remove dust and light dirt? Has your vehicle's exterior been detailed recently and you simply want a good cleaning and reapplication of protection on the paint? This package offers our best value for maintenance of vehicle well maintained. We include an interior and exterior cleaning that takes about 3 hours to do. As always, we come to you for the service so that you can enjoy your day as we work on making your vehicle look and feel its best. Here is a complete list of all of the services included in this package. We start with a quick vacuum of the cabin to remove all of the dust and loose dirt. The removable mats will be brushed and vacuum cleaned. All surfaces of the cabin will be wiped down to remove dust and light dirt. We will clean all of the windows and mirrors, including the windshield, to help increase visibility. We finish the interior with the application of a pleasant car perfume that usually lasts a day or two. The exterior will be detailed washed to clean the dirt from all of the grills, panel gaps, nook and crannies, gas cap compartment, and so on. We do a pre-wash using a foam bath to lift the dirt from the surface, then pressure wash the dirt off before doing a contact cleaning. This process prevents the micro-scratching of the paint that usually occurs during the contact wash. This will help your paint looking good for much longer. We pressure wash the underside of the vehicle to remove the dirt, salt, and calcium that can cause rust over time. We will do a quick cleaning of the wheels and tires. The door jambs will be pressure cleaned to remove most of the dirt that accumulates over time. We will dress the tires with a rubber protectant that usually lasts about a month. We apply a synthetic wax on the paint and the wheels that offer up to 6 months of protection. We finish with a final cleaning of the windows. This package is not a complete detailing package. If you want your vehicle to look like new, please have a look at our more advanced packages. If this package covers the level of service you need, simply fill the request form on the website and we will call you to book an appointment at a moment that is convenient for you. We're looking forward to serve your detailing needs.